This is the Umidigi S2 Lite, the phone that costs about $150 but it offers 18:9 aspect ratio display, a huge 5100 mAh battery, and all metal design, but it doesn't mean it's a perfect phone. My name is Linus and here's my review. The phone ships with a few extras like a headset jack adapter and a dark, soft TPU case to protect the phone. First of all, let's get the specs out of the way. Even though the phone doesn't cost much, I wish it had 64GB of storage instead of 32, but a good thing is that there is a hybrid SIM and the microSD card slot for storage expansion. Just as many budget phones nowadays, the Umidigi S2 Lite has 18:9 aspect ratio display and it looks quite nice. The panel is sharp, vibrant, and it's a pretty good display overall. Despite a large display, I found the phone to be comfortable to hold in the hand due to rounded edges of the unibody metal shell. Obviously, you'll need two hands to use the phone, despite that 18:9 aspect ratio. The overall build quality is excellent, but I found that the power key moves a little. You also get a dual camera setup on the back, a fingerprint scanner that works quite well, face unlock feature that works quite okay in good lighting but it sucks in low light, and it doesn't work if you put the glasses on. In addition, there is a 5-megapixel selfie shooter, a notification LED light, and front-facing flash for selfies. Finally, the phone lacks headset jack, which is a bummer, but a good thing is that the loudspeaker is actually pretty good for a budget phone. I love that the device ships with stock Android 7 out of the box. As for extra features, you can customize the LED notification light by assigning different colors, customize the navigation bar, but that's about it. During my test period, there were a few skipped frames in the UI here and there, but overall, the speed and fluidity is here. I can't really complain. Gaming performance is surprisingly good considering the chipset this phone uses. Well, you should expect a few skipped frames while playing 3D games, but nothing major, no major lag, no stutter. Image quality could be summarized in one sentence. You can get decent pictures for social media, but nothing more. You should also expect mediocre night image quality out of this phone. Well, this is a budget device after all. Also, bokeh effect looks kind of artificial like on most of these cheap phones. Selfies look okay, but they could have more detail. As expected, video quality using both main and front firing cameras is kind of average. Same can be said about sound recording quality.
This is a video test with the Umidigi S2 Lite. This is handheld footage. I'm holding the phone in one hand.
Battery life is just great thanks to huge capacity. I was able to get 16 hours of SOT, which is a great result for any phone. However, it takes just under 3 hours to fully charge the phone with a supply charger, which is not the best result. As for connectivity, I have no complaints at all as all the options including GPS work fine, I didn't have any issues with Wi-Fi, and call quality is decent. As for sensors, there are a few, but I'm disappointed that the gyroscope is only software based, meaning that it's practically useless since there is a lot of lag in 360 content. In conclusion, the Umidigi S2 Lite shapes up to be a decent option for the price, but obviously you should consider that the cameras are not the best in this price range, the phone uses aging CPU, there are just 32GB of internal storage, there is no headset jack, and it takes almost 3 hours to fully charge the phone. On a positive note, I love the design and build, great display, good overall performance, solid battery life, and even though camera could be better, it allows you to take decent daylight images. I hope you guys found my summary of pros and cons useful, and if you did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. It was Linus, thank you for watching, and see you soon.